Back then. Hello viewers, this is Smallheath Park in Smallheath, Birmingham, United Kingdom. That's the roadside, Tennyson Road. It's a pretty lovely day today, sun's out. Temperature is not too hot, but can't complain for this time of year. And this is the pond for the local ducks and swans and the Canadian geese. Just a quick video, just come out to kill a bit of time. A couple of hours left till we open our fast. I just thought I'd make a quick recording. There's all the animals chilling, flying about. All the people sitting on the benches relaxing. Also killing time. Camera's very jumpy when I zoom in, so I'll zoom out a bit. Just towards the first nice day weather. Sun's out there behind the trees. And it's about 4 p.m. now. We're going to slowly head back. 5:45 is be time to open our fast. Fill our bellies. For those of us that smoke, have a quick cigarette and stuff. Here's one here, look. Here's our little mate here. He's having a little feed, look at his feet. It's something shady. Okay, we'll have to leave it there because time to head back. Not much battery life left. Just thought I'd show you a little bit of natural beauty that we do have in Smallheath. Time to go. Goodbye, assalamu alaikum everybody. And we'll see you when the weather gets better. We'll make a few nice videos, inshallah.